Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this fucking video, I'm going to show you how to use Angular directives in Angular latest 17 version. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please post the video to the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. You see on my screen, Angular 17 is working fine. Let me show you as well. I'm 17 and all the default, and you can see here you are logged in as admin. Here I will change the role like to save user, and we'll see you're not logged in. Again admin, and save it and see logged in as admin. And here's my variable string equal to admin, and here's my new if directive. Like the last version we have used like ng if, in this we just mention at the rate if, and there is else. Yeah, it's very simple as well. Ng if to at the rate if in new Angular 17 version. So we'll have you see it's work like charm. And after it, I will come with more demos. Guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. Guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.